Welcome back to our channel, Daily Life Tips. Today we will talk about the top 5 health benefits of honey. 1. Useful in weight management. Did you know you can use honey for weight management? According to the famous author and nutritionist Mike McInnes, honey burns body fat even while when you are sleeping. It is one of the best foods for losing weight. Doctors recommend to have a spoonful of honey before going to bed. 2. Strengthens immune system. Honey has countless medicinal properties that naturally help in curing a sore throat. Its antioxidants and bacteria-fighting assets also help against fighting infections that are caused by viruses, bacteria and fungi. According to doctors and scientists, buckwheat honey has the highest number of antioxidants and when consumed daily can be beneficial for boosting immunity in the long run, and this is why honey has known to be one of the best immunity-boosting foods. 3. Nourishes your skin and face. Using honey for skin is very useful because of its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Honey is the best natural moisturizer, especially for your dry skin, and it is also very easy to apply. Raw honey not only unclogs pores but it also helps moisturize parched skin. It also helps curing cracked lips during winters. Many people also use honey masks for skin tone correction. 4. Boosts your memory. We are what we eat, and hence it is very important to consume foods that help make our mental health strong to sustain in old age. Honey, the eternal sweetener, has numerous health benefits, one of which includes boosting memory and concentration. Honey not only increases brain power and memory but also makes you a healthier person altogether. Consumption of honey prevents metabolic stress and helps calm and soothe the brain, which helps in augmenting memory in the long run. 5. Home remedy for cough. Honey is known to be one of the best home remedies for dry cough as well as wet cough. Research has also shown that drinking a tablespoon of honey can reduce irritation in the throat. Honey is the preferred natural remedy for cough, especially for kids, as it helps to relieve nocturnal cough, allowing proper sleep. That's all for today. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get updated. We will be right back with the new video.